अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल where we bring you the best and most affordable kitchen gadget। आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं प्रोडक्ट that every kitchen must have, the M&H National Electric Kettle Model NE666। It come with 3 colors। Now time to open and review the product। This electric kettle come with a sleek stainless steel body, modern design and a comfortable heat resistant handle। With capacity of 2.3 liter, it's perfect for boiling water, tea, coffee and instant noodles। Fast heating, large capacity, durable body, base with power cord, specially 1-year warranty। If you're looking for powerful electric kettle, M&H National Electric Kettle NE666 is worth considering। If you like this product and want to see more cool gadgets, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and press the bell icon। Thanks for watching। Allah